Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by locking the minimum viable feature set and why each matters. Transactions, budgets, and syncing are non-negotiable. Once decided, pick a tech stack that matches your timeline and team, native if performance matters, cross-platform if speed matters instead. Then design the data model. User, accounts, categories, transactions, balances, and timestamps. This keeps calculations correct. Make sure to include auth and data encryption now. Without them, you risk rewrites later. Begin implementing one endpoint and ship that core flow first. You now expand the app with robust data integrity and user value. Implement a ledger or double entry pattern so balances reconcile flawlessly. This prevents subtle bugs. Once done, add background sync and conflict resolution. Use vector clocks or last writer wins with user review so devices stay consistent. Then layer analytics, expense trends, category breakdowns, and cohort retention so users see patterns. Make sure to anonymize and aggregate for privacy. Continuously test edge cases and load, and iterate based on real user feedback. You finish by hardening and deploying the product. Run security audits, confirm encryption at rest and in transit, and align with any compliance needs. Then automate CI/CD, database migrations, backups, and monitoring so releases are repeatable and safe. Staged rollouts reduce blast radius. After launch, gather metrics and support flows, prioritize fixes by impact. If things go wrong, reproduce the issue with logs and device state. Isolate whether it is sync, schema, or business logic, and ship a focused migration or patch quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.